The clock is ticking to slow climate change. But as cities grow and living standards rise, it's forecast the world will consume twice as much energy by 2050. Reducing emissions to zero by then is ambitious. We're relying on solar panels and wind farms, but when the sun doesn't shine or the wind doesn't blow, power stations burning fossil fuels have to plug the gap, and other renewables need future technology breakthroughs to commercially deliver at the scale needed. If we're to keep the lights on and make net zero a reality, we need a source of clean, cheap energy that never switches off. The sun. With solar power stations in space, we can capture the energy of our star and beam it safely to Earth. Here's how the technology works. Outside Earth's shadow, satellites convert sunlight to radio waves and beam them to Earth. Each one produces 2 gigawatts of continuous power, the equivalent of a conventional power station. On the ground, a mesh-like network of antennas collects the energy and converts it to electricity for the grid. The beam is safe, and people and animals can pass through without harm. It's about a quarter of the strength of the midday sun. Permanently basking in sunlight in fixed points above Earth, the satellites supply power day and night, all year round, whatever the weather. Each satellite's very big, but it's made from thousands of small modules on production lines to keep material costs down. They're transported to orbit by a fleet of reusable rockets. Small, autonomous robots then join together the mass-produced modules in space. Once finished, the satellites start their job of beaming down energy round the clock, and the robots are ready to build the next one. Experts have calculated that solar power from space will cost about the same as power from solar panels on Earth, but with an unbroken supply of electricity even at night. The environmental footprint is low. The antennas only cover about 3% of a wind farm delivering equal output. Right now, there's an opportunity to lead in this new technology, and with innovative partnerships and finance, we can make it a reality alongside existing clean energy sources. An independent report for the UK government said space solar power is technically feasible, affordable, and could bring both substantial economic benefits for the UK and could support net zero pathways. Achieving net zero is ambitious, and with the power of the sun and space, we can do it.